Hi everyone, welcome to my video. And in this video, I'll be showing us how to create a smart home thermostat control prototype in Figma. Now let's get started. But before I jump into prototype, I would like to show us how I achieve these circular numbers. And this is how to do it. With the new Figma updates, you can use Ctrl plus D to actually achieve these circular numbers. Firstly, I'll press F to create a frame. I will come to the right panel and select iPhone SE. I'll press T to create a text, which is just 0. Then I will press Alt and drag to make a copy. I will change the angle of the text to -15 and try to drag it down a little. The next thing I'll be doing is to press Ctrl D to make more copies in circular form. So this is how I actually achieved the circular numbers. The next thing I'll be doing now is to edit and delete some that is not needed. And here I've gotten rid of the zeros that are not needed. The next thing for me to do now is to keep editing the numbers. So I've changed this one to 10, and this one will be 20, this one will be 30, and this is how I created the circular numbers. Now let's jump into prototype. So I'll come to the right panel and click on prototype. Then I'll select the plus button. So on click, I will set the animation to smart animate instead of instance, and the duration will be 500. This is what I'll be doing for the rest of the buttons. Now let's preview our prototype. So I'm clicking the plus button, and this is how to create a smart home thermostat control prototype in Figma. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.